Oh, that's cool.
You could be so creative with this.
The Joyst JV-1. Express yourself with tangible note velocity and precision aftertouch. Master scales and chords on the intuitive note layout. Pitchbend every note individually. A joystick for every note. No compromises, no limits, just maximum creative expression.
Hey, I'm Phil and I invented the Joyst because I was tired of trade-offs. Why can't a MIDI controller let you bend notes like an electric guitar? Why do MIDI controllers have to copy the fiddly layout of traditional pianos? Right from the first prototype, the power of the joysticks blew me away. Just fun, springy, natural and expressive. It's like going from black and white to full colour music. Joysticks just work on a MIDI controller. Try one and see.
Play on the go. Click notes for upshifting, giving a full 4-octave range. Inject vibrato. Bend chords. Controller joysticks mean game over for buttons.